I'm guessing you watch YouTube videos on a daily basis. Well, why not get paid for it? Today, I'll show you how to make $100 to $1,000 by utilizing 2 free websites. Those websites will gain you social media engagements, which you will be able to sell for $500 or more. It makes absolutely no difference where you are from because this works everywhere in the globe. This method is also free and beginner-friendly, so you won't need to invest anything to start using it. Keep reading and pay attention until the end of the tutorial to learn the particular actions involved in this method. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch until the end to know the exact approach. Now, just before we dive into another tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. Okay, let's get this exciting tutorial started. AddMeFast.com is the first website I want to introduce to you today. This website is a marketplace for exchanging social media engagement, such as YouTube views, YouTube likes, Facebook followers, and so on. You'll now go to their webpage and click on the Try It for Free option. After that, you'll be directed to this page where you need to enter your email address, password, and finally click the I'm Not a Robot button, then click Sign Up to complete your registration. This is how it should look when you've logged into your fresh new account. This is your dashboard, and the first thing you should do when you get here is look to the left-hand side of your screen for YouTube views. By clicking on that, you will be directed to this page. You can see that if you view this video for this period of time, you will get this many points, which can be used to earn money later on. All you have to do now is click on the View Video button and view the video that appears for the required period of time. Let it load for a few seconds, and you will see a counter that indicates how much time you have left to watch the videos. After it has run out, you will be awarded that amount of coins. All you have to do now is wait and run the video in the background. Your points will be updated as soon as you finish watching, and you will be able to see them grow. You now have this number of points indicated at the top. You can repeat the process as many times as you want to collect as many points as you want. All of the points you've earned by watching videos may now be exchanged for engagements on other social media sites, which is a critical component of making money online right now. In addition to earning your points, this site has a wonderful referral scheme that will give you 300 points for each person you signs up using your referral link. In the upper right corner of your screen, you'll see your own referral link. Next, you can also see Daily Bonus on the left-hand side of the screen. After clicking that, you'll find that you have the opportunity to earn 400 bonus points per day. So make sure you stay active on the site and claim it every day. The more coins you collect, the more social interaction you can get. I'll explain this now, so make sure you pay close attention to everything I'm about to tell you. Now, just before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. Now, I want you to comment down below and type in the initial code POPCORN as a pre-registration for our $50 gift card giveaways. Remember to watch until the end for you to know the simple instructions on how to fully register and win that exciting gift card giveaways. Now it's time to move on to the second platform for today's tutorial, PlayerUp.com. This is a marketplace where you can trade, sell, and exchange social media accounts and engagement. When you get at this website, scroll down until you discover a category labeled All Other Games and Marketplaces. After you've clicked that, you'll see a list of categories in alphabetical order. Right now, I'd like you to click on the letter F. I need you to find Facebook and click it right now. After that, you'll be brought to this page where you may buy and sell Facebook followers, friends, likes, views, and shares, among other things. For the time being, I'd like you to concentrate on gaining Facebook likes, Facebook followers, and Facebook shares. For example, if I click on Facebook likes right now, you'll find that individuals are wanting to sell them. For example, if you sell 10,000 Facebook likes, you will earn $100. And as you scroll down, you can look at the various deals and prizes on this page for Facebook likes. To emphasize a major key point, you can earn points by watching those videos on Add Me Fast. These points can be converted to Facebook likes, which can be sold for a significant amount of money. So, if you obtain 10,000 Facebook likes with Add Me Fast, you'll win $100 here on PlayerUp.com. I recommend that you register on PlayerUp right now to earn your funds. To do so, go to the top of the homepage and click the Sign Up button. You can then post your offers after you've signed up. If someone is interested, they will pay you directly into your PayPal account, which is what this site offers. I just wanted to give you a heads up. Once your client has given you $100 for the 10,000 likes, go to Facebook. The procedure is obtaining the link to their Facebook profile or post. Return to Add Me Fast and look for the word Add in the upper left corner of the screen. You'll be taken to this page after clicking it. You must first choose the type, which will be the Facebook likes. Then enter the post title and then paste the page URL. Then decide how much CPC or points you'd like. Let's use 10 as an example. After that, simply click Save Changes and you're ready to give that page 10,000 Facebook likes. Simply by selling Facebook likes and earning points, I was able to make $100 in a matter of minutes. It's as simple as that. Make sure you watch those videos on addmefast.com so you can start earning points right away. The more points you get, the more Facebook likes, YouTube likes, subscriptions, and other offers you'll receive. You can repeat this process because it is a completely free and legitimate way to make money online. So start doing it right now to start earning some substantial money. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now let's proceed with the final instructions on how to be lucky and win the 10 free $50 gift card giveaways. You just need to make sure you're subscribed and are actively leaving a like. You also need to comment down below the unique code that I've given in the middle of every video so I can give rewards to those who I monitored that are always active in each tutorial. The more videos you comment on, the better chance you have at winning as we reach the 5,000 subs celebration. And that's it! Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.